morning, guys. So, this is me, Bernares, and welcome to my vlog. So, for today's video is ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking morning routine. So, kakagising ko lang and tara!
Find our state underneath the sky where dreams unfold, melodies of hope and colors bold. With the acoustic strum, our stories blend. In this harmony, we'll always mend. Together we rise with hearts in flight, dancing on clouds.
Hello guys! So, that's it. And ako ay mag-running na. And of course, di natin makakalimutan ang mag-hydrate bago mag-run or exercise. Hello guys, good morning. So kakarating ko lang from jog. And anong oras na? So usually guys, nakakarating ako dito ng before 6. Pero ngayon kasi nag-incorporate na ako actually guys ng ng mga strength training, mga push up, sa arm, tapos squat, ganun. So, kaya medyo tumatagal na ako ng konti. And, so, papakita ko sa inyo, ako ay magkikilo. So, actually, matagal na rin ako hindi nagkikilo. So, titingnan natin kung ilan yung kilo ko ngayon. Of course, guys, huwag natin kalimutan mag-hydrate after ng workout or exercise nyo. Importante yun para ma-replenish ang ating electrolytes sa katawan. So, ngayon ay tayo naman ay mag-stretching, of course. Dapat after ng exercise, mag-stretching.
Hip-hop drums keep the rhythm alive. In this embrace we learn to thrive. Together we rise with hearts in flight, dancing on clouds, we're lost in the light.
Guys, ako ay tapos na mag-stretching and ako ay maliligo na. See you later! Guys, so that's it. Dito na magtatapos ang aking vlog and yan. Ito na yung aking morning routine and ako ay papasok na sa office and time check, 7:27. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Stay safe and healthy!